children, this is 4th class maths, block 4, multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits. Today I am going to complete S3, S4 children. In S3 column method, and today I am going to show you column method children. This sum is from workbook, okay. You already learned in 3rd class how to multiply using column method children. 523. 523 into 21. Each digit you have to keep this much distance children, okay? Finger space distance. Now 523 into 21. So first we will start with ones place. Now with this one we have to multiply with all 3 digits. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now we will multiply with 2. This number will multiply all these 3 numbers. So we are multiplying into tens place. No, starting multiplying tens place. So we have to write here 0. Okay. 2 0 in ones place. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Arrange the numbers according to place wise children. Okay, after multiplying tens place these numbers, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place. Okay. Now add these numbers. 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, 0, 1. What is the answer? 10,983 is the answer. Okay. Take it your workbook children. Same method we'll do it in a workbook children. Take it your workbook. Block 4 S3 column method. First write date children 16/9/2020. First solve the problems using column method. See B bit I showed example on board children. C bit you do it with your own. Now second bit. Milan has made a mistake when solving 472 into 13 using the column method. Circle the mistake and then solve the problem correctly. Okay. 472 into 13. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. So 2 carry here. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now we will multiply with 1. Here we are multiplying with the tens place. 1 is in tens place. So we have to write here actually 0. But she wrote here 2. Okay. This she did mistake here. Now I will show correct solution. If you do mistake, if you not keep the 0 here, you will get full answer wrong. So 472 into 13. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Sorry children. 1 2 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Here tens place. So we have to write here 0. 1 2s are 2. When you are multiplying with 1, you will get same product. 1 7s are 7. 1 4s are 4. Plus 6, 3, 11, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Next third bit. Solve the problems using the mental math method. Okay. Here example sum I will show you. A1, A bit 539 into 27. 539 into 27. Generally we will multiply it will start from ones place, no children. So here in mental math we will start from bigger number which is the bigger place. From there we will start multiply. down one we'll start from bigger place. Okay, now here 2 into 5 we have to multiply. So here 5 is which place here? Hundreds place. So first we'll write 2 zeros. And 2 is which place? Tens place. So we'll add here 1 0. 3 zeros you'll write first. Then we'll multiply. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now next tens, 2 is tens place. Tens place. Here 2 is in tens place, no? So we'll write 1 0. 3 also in which place? Tens place. So we'll write here 0. 2 3s are 6. 600. Next, here 2 is in tens place. So we'll write here 0. And 9 is in ones place. No 0 children. 2 9s are 18. 18 will write. Next, 7. 7 is in ones place. We'll not write any zeros here. So 5 is in hundreds place. So 2 zeros will write. Okay. Now 7 5s are 35. 35. Now next this is ones place. So we'll not write any 0. But 3 is in tens place. 7 and 3 we are multiplying. No, 3 is in tens place. So we'll write here 1 0. 7 3s are 21. Next 7 9s are. This is in ones place. This also 9 is also in one place. No zeros will write. 7 9s are 63. Okay. Add now all 3 here. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5. 1 carry. 6 7 8 13 2 15. 5. 1 carry. Here 4 1. 14,553 is the answer. Now 279 into 26. This sum I'll show you children. 279 into 26. Okay, we'll start from 102 into 2. Now 2 is in which place? This 2 hundreds place. For 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay. Now this 2 is in which place? Tens place. So for tens we'll write 1 0. Now 2 2s are 4. Next, this 2 is in tens place, 1 0. This 7 is in tens place, 1 0. Now 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now this 2 is in tens place, so we'll write here 1 0. 2 9s are 9 is in ones place, no 0. 2 9s are 18. Now we will multiply the 6 children. Okay, 6 is in ones place, will not write any zeros, but 2 is in hundreds place, so 2 zeros. 6 2s are 12. Next, 6 into 7. 7 is in tens place, so we will write 1 0. 6 7s are 42. Now 6 into 9. Both are in ones place. So, we will not write any zeros. 6 9s are 54. Here also 7,254 is the answer. Okay, this bit you do it your own children. Now, S4, understanding the methods. Use any methods to solve 629 into 53. Explain the method that you have used. So children, 629 I wrote by using box model. I wrote here children, box model. First we'll expand the numbers, then we'll solve the sum children. Okay. Next, explanation. For explanation, you have to refer page number 32 from reader. That is, these 3 steps you have to write it children. Okay. Next, 3 steps write over here children. Okay. Next, second bit. Write instructions for a friend on how to solve 247 into 82 using the box model Include why each step is important. Children, these are the instruction. Copy it. Take it to a class of children. Block 4, multiply 3 digits by 2 digits. Write dates. These are the practice questions, children. I already solved here. With the help of this class sums, you have to complete your classwork. See the first sum, lattice method. Second bit, box model. Third bit, column method. Fourth bit, mental maths method. Fifth bit, choose a different method to solve each problem and then explain the method you have used. Okay? I used here first lattice method, children. For explanation, refer page number 31 from reader. Write the steps here. Next, B1 620 into 17. I used here box model. For this also, for explanation, refer page number 32 from reader and write the steps. Next, C bit 591 into 49. I used a column method. For this also, refer page number 32. Sixth bit, use any method to solve 9621 into 28. I use a column method, children. Okay, children, in this block we learned about 4 methods, that is lattice method, box method, column method, mental maths method. Okay, hope you all understood. Complete your workbook and classwork, children. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.